How to contact SHEIN customer support. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can contact SHEIN's customer support. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to contact SHEIN customer support, open up a browser and type in SHEIN customer support and search for it. Now you'll find various links over here. So you can see the contact us SHEIN button or contact us button. So you want to tap on this contact us button depending upon whether you're from the UK or the US right here. So you can see for US they have different domain, for UK they have different domain. So you want to simply tap on the contact us link. You'll find the customer service over here. You can explore any help topic that you're facing, but if it says can't find the answer you're looking for, you can see a customer service button. Now you can use a telephone service, so you can see this particular number here, or you can use a live chat feature, or you can open up a ticket. So tap on this customer service button and log into your SHEIN account, and then after that you will be able to contact the SHEIN customer service. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.